Let's learn the ABCs and the sound that each letter makes. Come on, let's go. A is for alligator. Alligator. Can you tell me the sound that A makes? That's right. B is for barn. Barn. Can you tell me what B sounds like? That's right. C is for car. Car. Can you tell me what sound the letter C makes? That's right. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. Can you tell me the sound that D makes? That's right. E is for elephant. Elephant. Can you tell me the sound that E makes? That's right. F is for fish. Fish. Can you tell me the sound that F makes? That's right. G is for guitar. Guitar. Can you tell me the sound that G makes? That's right. H is for house. House. Can you tell me the sound that H makes? That's right. I is for Indian. Indian. Can you tell me the sound that I makes? That's right. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. Can you tell me the sound that J makes? That's right. K is for kite. Kite. Can you tell me the sound that K makes? That's right. L is for lamp. Lamp. Can you tell me the sound that L makes? That's right. M is for moon. Moon. Can you tell me the sound that M makes? That's right. N is for nest. Nest. Can you tell me the sound that N makes? That's right. O is for owl. Owl. Can you tell me the sound that O makes? That's right. P is for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Can you tell me the sound that P makes? That's right. Q is for queen. Queen. Can you tell me the sound that Q makes? That's right. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. Can you tell me the sound that R makes? That's right. S is for snow globe. Snow globe. Can you tell me the sound that S makes? That's right. T is for tiger. Tiger. Can you tell me the sound that T makes? That's right. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Can you tell me the sound that U makes? That's right. V is for volcano. Volcano. Can you tell me the sound that V makes? That's right. W is for windmill. Windmill. Can you tell me the sound that W makes? That's right. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Can you tell me the sound that X makes? X. That's right. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Can you tell me the sound that Y makes? That's right. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Can you tell me the sound that Z makes? That's right. Can you say the ABCs and the sound that each letter makes with me? Ready, set, go. A, I, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job!